Welcome to our channel, where we want to share home remedies and alternative therapies 320. Remember to like us, and subscribe to our channel, thanks. And now to enjoy these 12 effective home remedies for dry cough during pregnancy. One of the most uncomfortable situations in pregnancy is a persistent cough. While cough itself is a troublesome problem, experiencing it on a heavy belly is beyond imagination. Most doctors advise against the usage of cough suppressants or other medications during pregnancy, as they are linked to the health of the fetus. This is why we have compiled some of these amazing home remedies for cough during pregnancy, which is safe and natural. Causes of cough during pregnancy. While a minor cough is normal during pregnancy, the severe cough that lasts for a few days may not be desirable. Here are some of the main reasons why a pregnant woman suffers from persistent cough. Allergies. Most dry coughs are a result of allergic reactions to weather, food or products. Weakened immune system. This makes the body more prone to infections. Asthma. Women with a history of asthma are at a high risk of breathing problems, including severe cough. High estrogen levels. The increased levels of estrogen contribute to coughing in pregnancy, especially when you have hay fever or allergic rhinitis. Acid refluxes. The acid from the stomach affects the respiratory tract and damages the lining. Viral infections. Viral attacks can give you flu and cough. Air pollutants. Smoke, dust, soot, smog, and gas can cause cough in pregnant women. Watch this video until the end, where you will have a surprise that you will surely love. Symptoms of cough during pregnancy. Here are some of the common signs of cough during pregnancy. Uncontrollable cough. Block in your throat. Irritation and itching sensation in the throat. Nausea and even vomiting. Sleeplessness. Accumulation of mucus with wheezing in case of lung-related problems. Prevention of cough during pregnancy. It is not possible to completely prevent cough during pregnancy. But you can lower the risk of severe coughs by following certain precautions. Maintain a humidifier in your room to avoid dryness in the air. Avoid allergens that trigger a cough. Wear a mask if you cannot avoid air pollution during travel. Sleep in a reclined position to make your breath easy. Build up your body's immunity by eating a well-balanced diet. Say no to cold foods and beverages which can cause a cough. Natural home remedies for cough in pregnancy. 1. Gargle. One of the common natural remedies for cough during pregnancy is a warm water gargle. The idea to deal with sore or itchy throat with the gargling method, where water is taken to the back of the throat and whilst their gargling is done. For this one we'll need some lukewarm water with a pinch or so of salt. One can even add ginger juice drops to it for added pressure. 2. Chicken soup. Whenever you were sick and unwilling to leave your comfy cozy bed, remember how your mother would bring in a steaming plate of chicken soup which you could probably smell from afar. The same goes during the time of pregnancy, when rather than popping in a pill or two every time for your cough, you stick to homemade remedies, a warm bowl of chicken soup which will immediately soothe the itchiness in the throat. 3. Tulsi leaves. The leaves of a tulsi plant have been in demand for ages, now with it being one of the popular Indian home remedies for cough during pregnancy. Make a paste of it along with honey and have it for instant results. While the tulsi works on the cough, the honey will soothe the neck in case of inflammation or discomfort. 4. Turmeric. Usually, we cough due to a reason which might be ranging from anything such as the common flu, an infection in the throat or inflammation. No matter how it goes, turmeric, being an expert anti-inflammation agent, can kill the cough-producing germs right away. Make a paste of juice containing turmeric and drink it in intervals. Turmeric is also one of the recommended home remedies for cough during third trimester pregnancy. Remember to watch this video until the end, where you will have a surprise that you will surely love. 5. Honey. This amazing ingredient has been incorporated in Indian home remedies for tidbits every now and then and has always shown exceptional results. This is why honey can be used in different ways, such as with warm water with certain juices or leaves. It soothes the throat walls with the prickly infections, thereby killing the cough. 6. Eucalyptus oil. We have all been aware of the wonders a eucalyptus plant has, and that is exactly why you know now that eucalyptus can probably make your cough and cold disappear. Use heated warm eucalyptus oil with coconut oil and rub it on your chest. It acts as a vapor rub. You can also drop eucalyptus oil drops in a heated warm water pot and take in the steam. 7. Lime or lemon. Here are two sisters who are also known for their grand presence in almost every home remedy for common cures. Lemon or lime contains anti-inflammatory properties, so don't hesitate to squeeze the lemon into your honey water before consuming. These ingredients are considered to be one of the natural home remedies for cough and cold during pregnancy. 8. Sleeping technique. We all know how much a pregnant woman needs a good night's healthy sleep, and a hysteric episode of coughing right through the night might be quite disheartening. This is why the trick is to alleviate your head while sleeping. Use 2 soft pillows and sleep on your sides. Keep the tulsi and honey nearby. 9. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best home remedies for chesty cold in pregnancy. The best properties of antimicrobial and antibacterial elements are present in garlic, which is why this is also enlisted as one of the cures to a whizzing dry throat during pregnancy. As for the expecting mother, make a juice out of garlic and incorporate it in your diet for better effects. 10. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is another important home remedy for cough and cold for pregnant women. When the coughing gets out of hand, subtle chest pain or irritation is bound to occur. The reason why cayenne pepper comes to the scene. With the obnoxious coughing tripping you out, cayenne pepper can be your remedy. 11. Almonds. If you are going nuts over coughing, a nut might be the solution to your situation. Almonds are known for their cough relief symptoms, and therefore this also gets a part of the list you can maintain during coughing when you are pregnant. This is one of the safe home remedies for cough during pregnancy. 12. Licorice roots. Another natural remedy for cough for pregnant women is licorice tea. Roots and herbs make the best of the remedies when it comes to common cold and cough. This is why a fine cup of steaming tea made of licorice roots can be of great help. However, don't overdo on the tea thing, since too much tannin may not be good for you at this point. Now that you have learned about these home remedies for cough during pregnancy, we suggest you try them before rushing to a doctor. Most of these methods using natural ingredients which are considered to be harmless during this phase. However, if you are skeptical about using them during pregnancy, you can always check with your doctor. We hope these nature's wonders help you enjoy a trouble-free pregnancy. Very important. Home remedies are convenient and help during a serious situation, such as night, when it can be difficult to go to the hospital. However, people should refrain from taking risks and quickly consult a doctor, especially when it comes to the health of a mother and her unborn child. The surprise we promised at the beginning of the video, you will find in the first link within the description of the video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you.